Dark sales traffic is real. There was something that I kept noticing. I would post something on social, let's say LinkedIn, and I would add a link. Doing a webinar, here is a link. I would get 77 likes. And I would expect 77 likes, let's say half of them would click on the link. 40, right? And every single time when in front of a large audience, 500 people, and I ask this question, 90% of the audience thinks I got on that post less than 40 clicks. Now here is the reality. I got 1,500 plus clicks. And the reason why is very logical. Your true prospect wants to stay anonymous. They don't want the world to know that they have a problem. Imagine you're selling a safety product or a software, and prospects don't want the world to know that they're struggling with this, right? So one of the mechanics that you need to master in sales is sales dark traffic. Here is how. You need to share things like webinars or booklets or blogs where you basically invite people to read it in an anonymous way. And you will see you will get massive amount of traffic. Now, in an ideal world, you can track that, right? And you could track the clicks, but that's not enough for me because you want to monetize the dark sales traffic. So I made some new friends that can unlock this dark sales traffic, and they're called lead info. And what they do is they do IP tracking on your website. Nothing special there, but here comes a very interesting part. They know which company is watching, and they'll provide you with a list of potential prospects that are within the company. And you know if you post something about sales, that salespeople will watch. So you actually know who's watching. So what you do is you reverse it. You will actually send them a mail after a few days or a LinkedIn request or whatever outreach you do after a few mails, and they will be interested because you know that they have been watching. So if you want to reverse the dark sales traffic, which is real, or you want to unlock your own dark sales traffic with all the things you do, you got to use a tool like Lead Info. Here is a QR code. Try it. You won't believe me. Try the license. If you want to know how dark traffic works in detail with a lot of mechanics, go to the schoolofsales.com blog, and there I explain in detail what are all the types of content you can build and leverage to gain way more traction with your revenue.